Hey y'all, so in this video I'm going to show y'all how I achieve this hair color. Alright, so whenever I practice with hair color, I always just get some affordable bundles off of Amazon, or I have a company send me hair because I'm not finna mess up no good hair, okay? So I went ahead and created my wig. As you guys know, I make all wigs on the sewing machine. If you would like to learn how to make wigs on the sewing machine, visit my online wig course at onlinewigcourse.com. And this is pretty much what it turned out looking like, okay? It was looking like that. So I pretty much decided to do the watercolor method. So I poured a whole thing of boiling water, a whole pot of boiling water into this tube, and the first color I'm using is this honey brown color. I feel like honey brown is going to give it that fall vibe, you know, kind of like, I don't know what I'm talking about, but anyways. So I added it to the water. I mixed it. Yeah, side note, I'm not pregnant. I know my stomach, you know, sticking out a little bit, but I'm not pregnant. Anyway, so I decided to do a test strand first because I'm experimenting. I don't really dye hair that often, so I figured let me at least see what it looks like on a test piece so I can see if I'm satisfied with it. And I like the way that the color looked on the test piece, so I decided to dip the wig into the solution. Alright y'all, so after I done that, I decided to go ahead and add the second color, which is Cajun Spice. With all of the colors that I'm using, I never use a lot. I literally only squirt in a little bit. I mix it up. I test it out with the test strand to see if that's what I like. I add more dye or color if I feel like I need more, and then I just dip the wig in. You guys, so at this point it wasn't getting it orange enough for me, so what I decided to do was to add more hot water, and then I added more of the orange coloring, and then well, not orange, but Cajun spice. I mixed it up a bit, and then I started dipping the hair again. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the last color, which is this color, Crimson. Now, I didn't know this color would be as bright as it was. I thought it was gonna be a little bit darker or deeper, but I was mistaken. So with the test strand, you guys are gonna see how bright it actually is. And all I did was added in the honey brown to the mixture again. That way it could be a darker, deeper red type of tone, because I'm really going for like fall colors. And yeah, I just wanted it to have a deeper tone, so you guys will see the whole process. All right, y'all. So I end up letting the hair dry, and this was the results. And y'all, I was like, no, nope, not at all. This is not working. It does not flatter me or any of that. I was like, nope. So I went back to the drawing board, and I decided to add a whole lot more color to it. So I decided to go back in with the honey brown. So this is on a completely different day. That is a new pot of boiling water that's in there. So I went in with the honey brown, and I went in with the orange color Cajun spice, and I just mixed those two together because I really wanted the color to have a deeper tone. I was really going for a fall look. So pretty much I'm just redoing everything all over again. Y'all see how much better that hair looks now? I really love the hair color now. So now it's time to go ahead and add in the crimson again. So I'm just gonna pour that into the container. I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm only gonna dye the hair on the ends because I want the ends to have that deep red look. I almost want it to have like a slight ombre type of look where it fades from a light orange to red. And pretty much after I dip it into the crimson, I'm pretty much all set. Honestly, this is going to be the final color that I end up with.